Hi everyone, I don't normally do these tutorials, but I just thought to make a tutorial showing you how to upload videos on YouTube. So when you have your tutorial ready, that's the video. What you want to do is to come to your channel and go to YouTube Studio. So when you click on that and it opens up YouTube Studio, you want to click on this button which says upload videos. So when you click on that, it will say select file, so you can drag and drop. So I have everything prepared. It's not now that I'm going to think about what I want to upload. I already have my upload notes prepared and the video is ready. I've watched through it and made sure it's everything that I want it to be. So I have the video ready. So what I do is double click on it and it shows this uploading thing and it asks me for the title of the video. So this is where I open my upload notes. So I've prepared all my notes ready and I have my title here, so I'll just copy it and paste it here. So I have my title already put in there. As you can see here, the video is being uploaded and I have 9 minutes left and it's 6% uploaded. So whilst it's being uploaded, YouTube Studio allows you to continue uploading or adding the rest of the video. So I'll go to the description now. Note that in the title, you want to have all the keywords in your video so that it makes it SEO friendly. It makes it easy to find when someone comes on YouTube and searches for it. Okay, so next we go to the description. In the first few hundred words in your description, you want to have your keywords appearing as many times as possible. So this video is about how to use Mendeley to cite and manage references in Microsoft Word. And so I want to have those keywords in the title and in the description, about the first 200 words. So for that too, I have my description prepared and I'll take you through it. So I said this tutorial is about using Mendeley to cite references in Microsoft Word. That means in the first few words I've already shown what I want you to see when when my video pops up on YouTube. I've also added a section asking the viewer to subscribe or to like and all of that. I have Grammarly installed and so it helps me spell check. That's also very important because you don't want to have typos in your description. You want people to take you seriously. So let's continue. Now the next is a feature of YouTube Studio, and if you've noticed, you can, when you're viewing videos that have labeled sections on the timeline, you can actually skip to sections of the video. It makes it easy to go through your video if your timeline is labeled, and it's a very recent feature. The way to go about it to get YouTube to read your timestamps as sections in your video timeline is to start with this 00 thing as an introduction. So that is what tells YouTube that this is going to be the sections of the video you're uploading. Then these are notes I prepared after watching the video and noting down the sections where I start new topics. So you note down the timestamps and you prepare notes on it and put it in your description. So when I upload the video, this is what will label my timeline. It's very important to make your videos easier to read. The next thing I normally do is to add links to my previous videos. So that I will paste here, and that's just the title of the video and the playlist it's coming from. So people like Nick Niman and other YouTube teachers advise that when you're sharing videos, you should share it from a playlist instead of the individual video. When people open the link, it opens the playlist. And so it helps them to see your other videos. So instead of just sharing the link to the video you uploaded, add it to a playlist and share the link of the video in the playlist. So that's one tip that I got from the other YouTubers. The next very important thing is to credit the background song. So that is what I'll put here. I just say background song credits. I copied the right things, so I've put it here just so that I don't infringe on the copyright issues, even though there are no copyright songs. So as you can see, my video is at 64% now. The next thing is the hashtags. So in YouTube you can add hashtags, and the options are that you can add it either to your title or at the bottom of the description so that it shows under the title of the video. And usually you can add as many hashtags as you want, but only the first 3 will show. So I was very economical in choosing what I want. I used the name of my channel and mentally and literature review because I think those are the things people looking for this particular topic will be searching for on YouTube. So I think I'm done. One tip to know about the hashtag is that when you have your location turned on, it affects the hashtag. So the hashtag will not show up if your location is turned on. So I'll make sure my location is turned off so that my hashtag shows below the video. Okay, so I'm done with the description part of the video. Now we'll go to the thumbnail. I have my thumbnail also prepared, so I just come back to my folder, and here I'm uploading the thumbnail for the video. So the thumbnail is what shows on the YouTube interface when someone sees my video, and that is what will draw people to view the video. It also helps increase the visibility of the video. So they are asking if I want to add it to a playlist. Currently I'm going to add it to my my academic tutorials playlist. Okay, no, I'll not add it to any playlist for now. What I normally do is to add it to a playlist towards the middle of the week, because apparently YouTube sees creating a new playlist as the same way it sees you uploading a new video. And so it's an advantage if you don't add it to a playlist immediately. So here I'll say no, it's not for kids. There are no age restrictions involved. Anyone can watch my video. And this is the first page of what is required to upload your video. So whilst the video continues uploading, it's at 99% now, I'll go to the next page. So you want to add video elements, but that will only be possible after my video is fully uploaded. So when you are uploading a video, there are 3 things you want to check. You want to check that your title has the keywords of your video. The first few words of your description have the keywords as well. The hashtags do. And the last thing is the tags. Tags are similar to hashtags, and I'm not entirely sure how it works on YouTube, but it's always a good idea to have tags. So I've prepared them, and they are more flexible than hashtags because hashtags cannot have spaces, but tags can. So you just type in all the things you suspect could categorize your video. So what that means is that I'm going to insert words, sentences and phrases and words like that contain the keywords like mentally, citation management in Word, and all of that. So as you can see, I wrote many different citations and I've exceeded my tag limit, so I'm going to remove at least one of them to ensure that I have them all in place. So now I have my tags ready. I use a plugin called vidIQ, and it usually suggests tags to me that I can use. So I'm going to insert some of their suggested tags and remove mine because I suspect theirs might have a better ranking than mine. So this one, I don't like this one. I think I will leave this one, and I'm going to remove this one. Yeah, and I think I'm fine. I'll see if I can beat. Yes, I did. So you separate tags with commas, and I had already prepared them on in my notes, so it makes everything very easy. So that's just to boost your time, to make you have a better use of your time when you're uploading the video. When you prepare all your notes, then it makes it easy. Now when I come to more options, let's see if there are other options here. You can add a recording date, it doesn't matter. I usually keep my license as the standard YouTube license. This is where I was talking about. If you add the location, it will turn off your hashtags. So if you want your hashtags to appear, don't add a location. You can choose your the category. I usually go for how to and style. And the video language, you can turn to English, general English. And yeah, most of them, if your video contains paid promotion and things like that, you want to check that. These don't apply to me yet because I'm still a small channel. So keep all these things in mind, and the most important things are the ones in the basic upload options. Okay, so the video is uploaded now, so I'll move on to the next step of uploading the video. Now I'm going to add my end cards and cards in between. So let's go to the end cards. Normally what I do is to add a card that says best for viewer, because I trust the YouTube algorithm to determine what video is best for the viewer after they've watched my video. And this is the subscribe button, so you can move the end cards around in case you want to make it more visible. So that's my end card, and it's going to run for the last 25 seconds. I'm happy with that. You can add other elements, but I normally just leave it like that. So you can click on save, and that's the end card. You can add other cards like playlists and links in between or in the beginning of the video. So for example, I can add a video on Mendeley in the beginning of the video, so that as soon as someone starts watching the video, this video pops up and says this is what it will look like. So as soon as my video begins, this link will open up showing this suggested video. So in case the person wants to open it in another tab and watch it before watching this one, then that will be an option for them. So that's what the cards do. So when you're watching a video and you see these things, that's what they do. They add cards to the video. That's great. I think I'm really satisfied with what I have so far. So those are the cards. So let's go to the next. I can publish the video immediately, but I don't want to do that. Or you can schedule the video and set a date for it, and you can even allow it to be premiered. So today is the 31st, and so I want to upload it at 8 a.m. So I'm going to schedule my video because it's currently about midnight and no one will be awake to watch my video. So I'll schedule it for as soon as they wake up. So I'll keep that in mind. I want to save it in an unlisted playlist currently. I don't want to make it public because when I'm done, I want to go and see if everything is okay before I make it public. And then I can save that. So as you can see, my video is already uploaded. The link is provided. And if I click on it, I can actually check out the video and see if it works well. So as you can see, the video now has the labeled sections on the timeline, so anyone viewing my video will enjoy watching it because they can easily skip to a section of the video that they want to watch. And in the description, these are the time tags. If you click on them, it will lead you to that section of the video. And my hashtags are around, everything is intact, the video links are all here, they all work, and the song is properly credited and all of that. So this is the basic way to upload a video on YouTube to hit all the SEO checklist and ensure that your video is found. So the next thing you want to do is to click save, and if you go back to your videos, you see that it's now on the list of videos. It's currently at unlisted. I will change it to public in and state it and tell it to publish. So now my video is online, and anyone who follows my channel and has turned on notifications will receive the notification that I've published a new video. Now I can go ahead and publish it and also check the analytics when it's time. I can already see the video here. It will tell me everything about it in terms of the analytics, and if anyone comments, I'll see it here. So yeah, that's how to upload a video on YouTube. If you enjoyed this video and you like the content on my channel, please be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button and share it with your friends. This video is particularly important for people who are new to YouTube, or people already on YouTube but did not know some of these tips. So share it with your friends if you may, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.